welcome back to the Miniac, and today I am out in something a little bit special. This is a 2019 Mini Cooper S Countryman All4. Now, it isn't just any Countryman All4. This one is equipped with the John Cooper Works Tuning Kit. So instead of the standard of 189 horsepower, this has 210 horsepower. That's pretty quick as far as these cars are concerned. And this is going to be a lot of fun to take this thing out and drive it. It has a manual transmission, so no flappy paddles. This is not an automatic transmission SUV. This is a manual gearbox. Manual gearbox, all-wheel drive, turbocharged engine. Let's go. Now, unfortunately, I got traffic in front of me, so I can't have fun on this loop either. But it's still just a lot of fun. This is so cool. This car is in melting silver, leatherette interior, very nice. This is the signature trim, so it has some nice touches. Miniac steering wheel, manual gearbox, love it. Sport bucket seats, very comfortable. All in all, nice vehicle. They just tinted it, so it has new window tint, has a power sunroof. And then under the bonnet is that great engine. So this is normally 189 horsepower, has a tuning kit on it, so it is 210 horsepower. You can do cold air intakes on this thing. They make a cold air intake. K&M makes a fairly good one that is universal for most minis. I think all of them actually. So that's pretty cool. There's the label for the programming date. Good vehicle overall. Now it does have the dynamic damper control, so it has dynamic dampers. It does not have the LED headlights, but that's not terrible. This is actually a very good vehicle overall. Black mirror caps, black roof, 18-inch wheels. Now, unlike the rest of the models, it does not have a power lift gate, so it has a manual lift gate, but that's pretty good actually. That's not bad. Lots of cargo space under there, cargo space through the interior. It's a bigger vehicle, drives very well. I went out and drove this car. It handles like the regular Minis. It handles like a small car, so it's really fun to drive. I had a blast driving. I seriously had a blast driving it. So I really like it. If I had the money, I would probably buy it. Now, some of you might be noticing these black dots all over the car. Well, I put those there. This is so I can film from the outside of my GoPros and have it mounted in key areas. So I had one on the tailgate to get the tailpipes. I had one over here to get a side view as I went around those corners. And then earlier I had one mounted here to get a view into the window. And I also had a camera mounted inside the car while I was filming. So I think I have 3 on the outside. 1, 2, 3. Thought I had a 4th. Oh well. Maybe I did and I didn't use it. Anyway, good vehicle, great car. I enjoyed this. Now, what is the price on this sucker? I think, oh, it also has automatic climate control, which I love. It is $38,000, so not bad, really. You get a lot of car. Now, if you love shifting your own gears and you love all-wheel drive as well, great combination. This thing just hauls down the road, and I love the manual gearbox with the all-wheel drive All4 system in these cars. It's just great. Now, I've driven a few Clubmans that have had that. I've driven several Countrymans in the past that have had the All4. What's nice about it is it feels like you're being pushed along like a rear-wheel drive car versus a front-wheel drive car where you feel like you're being pulled. So, great vehicle. It has MINI connected in it too, but I love this car. I would love to drive it again probably, but it just makes this, the tuning kit makes this car a whole different animal, and it makes it a fun vehicle to drive. But I'm gonna let you all go, and before I let you go, I wanna thank you all for watching. I wanna thank Bear Mini for letting me come out and use this car. And if you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like below, leave a comment as well if you wish. And until next time, I just want to remind you all that life is too short to drive a boring car, so drive a Mini. I'll catch you later.